today we are on our way to the Philippine Paiwa Philippines Day in Helsinki. It will be held at Campi, so yeah, I'm on my way there. Let's go.
Organized by Mabuhay Events and in collaboration with the Philippine Business Club Finland, Philippines Day brought together the Filipino community and friends of the Philippines to enjoy Filipino food, cultural performances, local businesses, and the warmth of the Filipino hospitality.
Kaya ko lang pala starter sa inyo.
Kain muna, lunchtime.
Malabo.
Barbecue, sa'yo. Ito, barbecue. Libre ni Arvin. Thank you, Arvin. Thank you so much. Yan.
Buboto ka naman sa susunod na eleksyon.
Medyo alam mo pa.
Sinalo niya si Celine. Sinalo niya.
Ay, silin pa talaga ako Ay, silin pa talaga ako naki-join.
Baka nag-enroll ka.
Nag-enroll ka ba? Kaya pa naman yung sa'yo ito eh. Hihilutin lang. Ito ng barbecue na.
Ulit?
Pinamay mo yung ano.
Oo.
Yung mga friends ko. Wala yung mga friends ko.
The kids? Ang galing naman ng ating mga, you know, very nice.
Kita mo ba? Okay na, nakapag-TikTok na kami. Yay! Okay na, solve na, solve.
Kaya
Solve.
salamat sa tao.
Sa taho.
Sa tao.
Mga nakita kong TikTokers kanina. Sobrang busy ko. Hi hello lang. Sarap. Ang sarap. From Ricardo's. Say hi, Yang.
Oh, yeah! Yes, sabi natin yung chairman. Happy Papa. Oh, sino
Like many community events, this one sparked a lot of conversation afterward. Still, I enjoyed seeing a lot of people come together to celebrate the Philippines right here in Helsinki. Looking forward to what next year's celebration will bring. Mabuhay!